Welcome viewers. The looming decision by the Supreme Court regarding former President Donald Trump's eligibility to appear on the ballot in the November 2024 elections, despite his alleged involvement in inciting the January 6 Capitol riots, has ignited debates among legal scholars. While many anticipate a victory for Trump, some warn of potential consequences. Following a recent hearing before the full court, it appears unlikely that the Supreme Court will uphold a Colorado Supreme Court order banning Trump from the state's ballots, based on provisions in the 14th Amendment. Observers suggest that a ruling in Trump's favor could be swift, setting the stage for further legal battles. As we proceed with this video, please take out a minute of your precious time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates from us. According to reports by Raw Story on Friday, February 9, 2024, Adam Liptak of the New York Times pointed out, the next legal hurdle for Trump involves appealing a decision by a three-judge panel in the U.S. Court of Appeals, which rejected his plea for absolute immunity for actions taken while he was president. Legal experts speculate that a favorable ruling for Trump's eligibility could prompt the Supreme Court to balance the scales by denying his appeal or ruling against him in subsequent cases. University of Texas law professor Tara Lee Grove sees a connection between the two cases, suggesting that a split decision may enhance the court's perceived legitimacy. Grove explained, "History tells us that the Supreme Court does better with the public when it does not rule repeatedly just for one side of the political aisle." Anticipating the justice's inclination towards a balanced outcome, she envisions a scenario where Trump remains on the ballot but loses immunity from federal prosecution. Vikram Amar, a law professor at UC Davis, echoed similar sentiments, expressing disappointment with the trajectory of the hearing. Despite recognizing the lack of a logical connection between the issues at hand, Amar speculated about the court's motives. He suggested that ruling in favor of Trump's ballot eligibility could pave the way for a less favorable outcome in the immunity case, thereby preserving the court's political capital. Amar's concerns reflect broader apprehensions among legal scholars regarding the Supreme Court's role in shaping the nation's political landscape. The court's decisions not only carry legal weight, but also influence public perception and confidence in the judicial system. The potential implications of the Supreme Court's ruling extend beyond Trump's personal fate. They touch upon fundamental principles of democracy, accountability, and the rule of law. A decision that appears to favor one political faction over another risks undermining public trust in the judiciary and exacerbating partisan divisions. Moreover, the outcome of this case may set precedents for future disputes involving the intersection of executive authority, electoral integrity, and constitutional interpretation. As the nation grapples with ongoing challenges to its democratic institutions, the Supreme Court faces the daunting task of upholding the principles enshrined in the Constitution while navigating the complexities of contemporary politics. In the coming weeks, as the Supreme Court deliberates on Trump's ballot eligibility, the eyes of the nation will be fixed on the highest court in the land. Its decision will not only shape the contours of the 2024 elections, but also leave a lasting imprint on the fabric of American democracy. Whether the court can rise above partisan pressures and uphold the principles of justice and fairness remains to be seen. What is your take on this video? Please kindly drop your comments and thanks for watching.